Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cambridge Primary Checkpoint Mathematics Paper 2. This paper is from October 2021. This is calculator paper. We can use calculator for that. We will go through all the questions step by step with all the working. So here are the instructions. You can go through that and have screenshot of that, then you can read it afterwards. So let's start. Question 1. Here is part of number line. You can see this number line here. Draw a line to join each mixed number to the correct place on the line. This one is already done here. So we have 3 and a quarter. 3 1 by 4. So 3 is here, whole number 3. Now you can see we have 4 parts here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts of this. So that means this is the 1 quarter. So 3 and a quarter. So we will join it here. Right. Now next we have 1 whole number. 1 is here. 3 quarters. So this is first, second and third quarter will be here. So we are just going to join one line like this. Okay, so that's done. Now number 2, we have a beautiful diagram here. Here are 4 pictures of the buildings. Tick the picture that have a line of symmetry. So we can need to see which one gives line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is a line where you can see on both sides the same diagram. So if I draw a line like this here, so you can see on both sides we have same. This window is here, these 2 windows, they are symmetrical. So first one is yes, and the second one also we can draw line in the middle. You just need to have rough line to get idea. So again we have the same thing on both sides. So yes it is, but here if you draw in the middle, we have this rectangular shape here, we don't have this here. So this is not, again if we draw line here like this part is symmetrical, but we have this here which is not on the other side. So we cannot tick that one. So these are the 2 diagrams that have line of symmetry. Eva says multiples of 3 always ends in 3, 6 or 9. Give an example for your answer. Is it yes or no? So we need to give reasons. So multiples of 3, we can write down multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, 3 times 1 it is 3. 3 times 2 it's 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 it is 12. Now she said like they end with 3, 6 and 9. This is 3, 6 and 9, but this doesn't end with this one. So we can say no. Give an example. So for example, we have, for example, 3 times 4, that is 12, which is multiple of 3 and does not end in 3, 6 and 9. So that is one example which is valid. We can give that one, right? Now number 4, here are some statements about odd and even numbers. Join each statement to its correct answer. So we have odd here, this side even. So odd plus odd, we can take some examples like 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, which is even. Okay, so it is here. 2 plus 2, it's not odd. So we can take any other example, like I can take odd, let's say 5, another odd number 3, minus even, let's say 2. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 minus 2, it is 6. So 6 is even. So we will join it with this one, right? So even minus odd, I can take any even number. Let's say we have 8 minus odd, let's say 1 plus 2. Any number you can take, choose any of them. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 it is 9. And 9 is odd. So this is going to match with odd. Now even Again I can take 8 odd minus odd, we can take just one. So 8 minus 2, which is 6, which is an even number, so this will go with even. And now odd, let's say I'm taking here 5 again. Even we can take 2 minus 2, again another even number, so this is 5 minus 4, which is 1. This is an odd number, so this will go with the odd, right? So you can take examples one by one, you can choose any numbers, but make sure that you take correct even and odd numbers, so then you can do the calculation and reach to the conclusion. Now question number 5, we have a calendar here. Here is page from my calendar. This is month of March. A chess club meets on third Saturday of every month, right? Write the date of meeting in April. So March ends here, so from here it will start April. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So this is April, right? So when it is April, he said like chess club meets on third Saturday. So first Saturday of April is here, this one, second is here, third one is here. So this will go with in our answer, that is 19th of April, right? Now number 6, Lily subtracts 56 from 92. She explains her method by writing. So 92 minus 56. So she did 92 minus 50, then minus 6. So she has splitted this 56 into two parts, 50 and 6, right? Now Lily subtracts 298 from 406. So complete her method. So you see 406 is already there, it's there. So this is splitted into two parts. So 298. So this is 302. She has to add here. So that's why 302 minus, because this is minus here. So 406 minus 300, it is 106. Then she needs to add 2 here. Actually, you need not to do this calculation. She subtracted 300, but she had to subtract 298. So that's why there is plus 2 here. Okay. Question 7. Oliver says, if I divide 85 apples between 5 people, they will get 18 each, right? So write multiplication statement. See, multiplication is highlighted, so you cannot use division here. Write multiplication statement to show that Oliver is not correct. So if each person gets 18 times 5, there are 5. If each gets 18 apples, so there are 5 people. So that means it should be, total number of apples should be, so total number of apples should be 90, which is not correct. We have total number of apples 85. So this will support this answer that he is not correct, right? Now number 8. Here are 2 rectangles drawn on a centimeter squared grid. The 2 rectangles have same perimeter. Draw a different rectangle on the grid that has the same perimeter. So first of all, we need to know the perimeter here. So we have 1. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. We start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So perimeter is 14 centimeters, right? So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we are looking for 14. So if we take this, we can have like 3 by we can have a rectangle with let's say we have 6 this side 6 centimeter, this side 6, 6, 12, and 1 can be this side, right? You may have different answers. So if 6, one side is 6, this is 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and 13 and 14. So we may have one shape like this. You may have different answers. 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So like this. Okay, so this will have 14 centimeter perimeter. No, we can have another one, like let's say if we are taking 1, 2, 3, and 4 this side, so then 4 this side, 4 plus 4 it is 8, then we need 14, so 8 plus 6 will be 14. So this 6 can be divided like two parts, 3 here, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that, right? So you may have this answer, or you may have like any other with the 3 rectangles, 3 squares this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 this side. Please use your ruler to draw the line. So this shape will also have perimeter as 14 centimeter. Okay, so you need to draw just one. Actually, I just showed you 2 of them. Question 9. A bag of money is placed on scale. You can see here money. Estimate the mass of the bag. Okay, so we see this is in kilograms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's in middle of 6 and 7. So this is 6.5 kilograms. Very simple question. Now, number 10, calculate 9.5 times 3 plus 4. And we have this. You can use calculator for that. But right now I'm just showing you how to do this by your own. 3 plus 4 it is 7, right? So 9.5 times 7. 9.5 times 7. 7 times 5, 35, 3. 63 plus 3, 66. So this is 66.5, right? Now here this is difference. You can see the numbers are same, but because of bracket now it will change totally. Now we are going to solve this first. So 9.5 times 3. 5 times 3, 15. 9 times 3, 27. Plus what? 28. 28.5 plus 4. 4.0. 32.5, right? You can directly use calculator also for this one. Question 11. All children in a school either have a school lunch or a packed lunch. This bar line chart shows the number of children who have school or packed lunch in each year group, right? So this is the key. This bold one is school lunch, this gray one is packed lunch, right? For P. So we have here year 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now part A, 20 children have school lunch and 35. Complete the bar line here. So we have 20 children as school lunch. School lunch is here with the bold one, so I can go here on this one. It will go up to 20 here. So we can just draw a line here. It shows in the middle actually. So we can just shade that to make it similar. Okay, now this is 20 is done. Now 32 have packed lunch. 32, this is 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Yeah, so that this one represents 2 as 2, right? So for packed lunch it will go up to here, this one. So we can use this one here. like this. So we can just shade this to show as this is the gray one, right? So that's it for this one. Now write how many more children are in year 4 than year 3. So we need to count the total number of children here. So we can see from the graph in year 4 and year 3, right? In year 4 we have, you can see here the number of children. This is 20, 22, this is 23. So this is 23 and this one is 1 less than 30, this is 29, right? So total number of students in year 4 is 29 plus 23, which is 52. And in year 3 we have here, this is 20 and this one is 30, looking here. So 30 plus 20, which is 50. And the question is how many more children. So that means we need to find out the difference. So how many more children are there? There are 2 children more in year 4 than in year 3, right? So now number 12, draw an arrow to show -6 on the number line. So you can see we have 0 here, and this side we will have all positive numbers, and this side we will have all negative numbers. So this is -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and -9, -10. So -6 is here. So we need to put an arrow for that. So that's it. Number 13, Chen draws shape A on a grid. Here is shape A. He translates the shape to position B. So here to here we need to see. Write instructions to describe the translation. So how it have been moved. So we can choose any one corner. So I can choose this one. Let's say we choose this one. See from here to here how we moved this one. So first it should be left. How many it's here? So this is the movement here, like this. So it is 1, 2, 3. So 3 left and 2 down. So we can say 3 squares left and 2 squares down. That's the movement, which is the translation, right? Now number 14. Here are 6-digit cards. So we have 6-digit card. Use each card once to make these statements correct. So we have to use out of this. This is 1 over something like we can have anything here out of these numbers. So we need to choose that one. So 1, if I choose 1, 2 here, let's say I'm choosing 2 here, that means half. So half of this 1 is half of 2. So half of 8 is 4. So we can choose here 4. 4 over 8 will give you 1 over 2. Now here is 4 and here is 6. So if I choose here, we can have, let's say I'm taking 8. We have 8, double of 4. Okay. So if I take double of this, this is 2. So 6 divided by 3. We can choose 3 here. So 3, this will also give you answer 2, right? Now we are left with 5 and 6. So 6. If I take 6 here, so it's easy now. If I take 6 here, that means this is 1 over 2 if you divide. And if I take here 5 over 10, it also gives you half. So we are done. So that's it for this video. We will do the remaining question in the next video. I hope you guys understood everything. If there is anything, let me know. And please subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you like the video. And share it with your friends. God bless you guys. All the best for your coming exams. See you in the next video.